Hey, how are you doing? Today we're making a video about the Caps Converter. It is a lightweight tool that you can convert your text case easily, just pasting the text and click to sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capital case, alternate case, title case, inverse case. You can change your issues in the text easily to fix by clicking the buttons here, and information about how to use here you can find this free tool Caps Converter in the Post Convert Pro. If you want to fix your text case easily, you can enter and use it. Yes, we have in the website ads. I think it doesn't affect your job and doesn't make your job um, heavier. Also, you can upload text easily that to change and download as text. Also copy. I hope you liked the video and click the subscribe button and enter the website and give information about some changes or improvement. You can write in the comments.